What if I told you that people across India are living high paying jobs, turning barren lands green, and earning lakhs, sometimes even crores, every year? Welcome to the world of organic farming, where health meets wealth and nature pays you back in cash. This is not just farming, it's a quiet revolution. Let's dive into the inspiring stories of real people making big money from organic farming. So, what is organic farming? Organic farming is all about growing food without synthetic chemicals, no pesticides, no artificial fertilizers, and no genetically modified seeds. Instead, farmers use natural compost, biofertilizers, and traditional methods that keep the soil alive and thriving. But here's the real twist. Not only is organic food healthier, it's also more profitable. Meet Santoshi Devi, a powerhouse from Rajasthan, in a region where temperatures hit 50 degrees Celsius. She dared to grow apples, yes, apples in the desert. Using innovative techniques and organic methods, she started with just 1.25 acres. Today she is earning a whopping 38 lakhs annually. She sells her produce directly to consumers, cutting out middlemen and pocketing the profits. She said, "People told me it wasn't possible here, but I proved them wrong. Organic farming changed my life." Next, we head to Punjab, where Kulvinder Kaur and her husband gave up wheat and rice to grow strawberries. On just 1 acre, they invested 7 lakhs, and they made it all back in the first season. Their sweet strawberries are in high demand, fetching premium prices in local and metro markets. They have now expanded into other fruits like dragon fruit and muskmelon, all organically grown. She said, "People crave fresh, chemical free fruits. Once they taste ours, they never go back." So, why does organic farming make so much money? First, demand is booming. Health conscious consumers are willing to pay more for organic food. Second, direct to consumer sales via farmers markets, social media, and apps cut out middlemen. Third, many states offer subsidies, trainings, and certification support to new organic farmers. A kilo of organic tomatoes can sell for 60 to 80 rupees, while regular ones go for 20 to 30 rupees. Multiply that across acres, and you're looking at serious money. Across India, women are driving the organic farming movement. They are forming cooperatives, running businesses, and teaching sustainable practices. In places like Kerala, Maharashtra, and the Northeast, women led organic farms are supplying hotels, exporters, and urban stores, all while supporting their communities. Empowering a woman in farming is like planting a forest. You get shade, fruits, and life for generations. Inspired yet? Here's how you can start your organic farming journey. Start small, even 1 acre is enough. Get trained. Many NGOs and Krishi Vigyan Kendras offer free organic farming workshops. Choose high demand crops. Think turmeric, ginger, herbs, fruits. Get certified. Organic certification builds trust and fetches better prices. Market smart. Use social media, local WhatsApp groups, and farmers markets. With the right crop and a little hustle, your organic farm could be your gold mine. These aren't just farming stories, they are freedom stories. Freedom from chemicals, from debt, from doubt. Whether you are from a village or a city, organic farming is open to everyone. So, what's stopping you? If they can do it, so can you. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe farming can be profitable, powerful, and pure. And drop a comment. Would you try organic farming? Or maybe you already are. Tell us your story.